Hi, I'm Dr. Collins Jones, and today we're going to talk about Pharm Plants. And if you notice that we're spelling Pharm, P-H-A-R-M, instead of with an F, F-A-R-M, because we're making pharmaceuticals, or specifically we're making biologics, protein products like antibodies or products like vaccines in plants. Okay, and so the way we make these products is very similar to how we would make them in an animal cell line like a CHO cell or an NSO cell. And the process is very simple. We isolate the gene that codes for the protein product that we want to make. We put that gene into a virus. In this case, the virus will be a virus that is able to infect plant cells. Typically, we use tobacco plants as our production cell, as our production plant. And then once the virus is in the plant, it releases the gene that codes for the product that we want, and the plant begins to produce our protein product, our antibody, or a vaccine. And then we simply harvest the plants and extract the product from the plants. So why would we use plants to begin with? Well, there are a number of reasons. One is that in theory, plants should be much cheaper to grow. They just depend on sunlight for their energy source. We can plant them in the soil. We just have to water them. We don't need these very expensive bioreactors or the expensive media. The other thing to think about is a biosafety point of view, and that is plants don't carry viruses that can infect humans. When was the last time that a tobacco plant had HIV, had Ebola, had Epstein-Barr virus, or any other sort of oncogenic viruses that may cause cancer in people? They just don't happen in plants. So while we still may need to test for them, the likelihood of such a virus being present is diminishingly small. So now you're probably asking, why don't we use plants to make all of our biologics? And there's one little problem with that, and that is that while plants are able to read human DNA sequences and make human proteins because they are plants, they don't make them exactly the same way. And a big problem with using plants to make human proteins, especially things like antibodies, is they don't glycosylate the protein or add sugars to the protein exactly the same way the animal cells do, and that may make that particular protein therapeutically ineffective. So if you want to learn more about using plants, about making biologic products not only in plants but in animal cells, sign up for one of our Biotech Primer in-person classes. Hope to see you there. Thank you.